Kitty? What is it? Samansale. Oh. Hello guys. So for tonight's vlog, we will be making pizza. So, itong kinahanglan is capsicum or bell pepper, onion, some cheese, kani siya camera combination ni siya for my mozzarella, cheddar, and parmesan. Of course, pizza sauce. Kani pepperoni ni siya. Half na lang kay the other half gigamit na naman siya last time. And then it's supposed to be pineapple chunks, pero napalit na mo is pineapple crush. So mali na siya, pero that's fine. Some pineapple and 2 cups of flour for the dough. Oh, I forgot. We will be also needing, let me get that, Greek yogurt for the flour. I mean for the dough. So that's Greek yogurt. So ang first na to buhaton is mix na tong 2 cups of flour and yogurt sa atong container. So dapat natay container para atong matarong og mix ang yogurt og ang flour. So 2 cups of flour and then 1 1/3 of that yogurt. That's 1 cup, 1/3. So muna akong gamiton karon. And then I need a spoon as well. So since na naman diri ang atong flour, butangan na lang nato siya yogurt. 1 1/3. 1/3 mix with the flour. So mao ni siya ang ato ang dough. And then 1 cup. So that's already 1 1/3 for the Greek yogurt. After that, i-mix na nato ang atong flour and yogurt. Na siya. So, set aside sa ni nato atong hiwaon or atong i-slice ang atong bell pepper, onion, and ang atong pepperoni. So, bell pepper, siguro half ani. And then, our onion. Since na may salin gamay nga onion, gamitin na ko ni siya before ani ako. So, next na itong hiwaon is ang atong pepperoni. So, ang other half ani is nagamit na naman siya last time nga nag-pizza me. So, So, after nimo mahiwa ang pepperoni, onion, and capsicum or bell pepper, pwede na nimo imasa ang imong dough nga gibuhat ganina. So, we have here clean pan with baking pan with paper wax or unsa bay tawag ana niya. And then diri nato ibutang ang atong dough and atong imasa ang atong dough. And make sure dry mong hands para dali ra ma-mix ang imong dough. Ang trick na ko is magbutang ko flour sa akong kamot. Na ako'y flour dire nga naka-set aside in case anyway, magbutang sa kudaan. In case dili dry na pang akong hands. And then masa na to siya. So this is how our dough looks like. After this is mag-spread out the pizza sauce. So i-spread lang diha and then ibutang na nato itong mga other ingredient. Pwede na niyo ibutang ang inyong pepperoni. Pwede na magbutang ng pepperoni. After pepperoni, pineapple. I'll be using pineapple crushed. Before, ang ginagamit namin is pineapple chunks. But then, na-discover sa akong partner nga much better ang pineapple crush kaysa sa pineapple chunks. Okay? One. And then after, spread the capsicum and the onion. Wait. Kaya nga nawa ni natang hiwa. That on. After that, the final step, some cheese. So make sure to put enough cheese kay muna siya ang mag-hold sa imong toppings. So if wala kay enough cheese, then mga toppings will be all over. So mauna niya itong pizza, guys. Sulod ni nato sa oven for a moment. Okay, lisod siya. Wait. So isulod na nato itong pizza. Oops. And then okay, mag-ingat ka dyan. And then we'll make it 200. 6:27. See you in 12 minutes, pizza. And while waiting for the pizza to cook, manghipos. So ready na itong pizza, guys. Turn it off. Right there. Ooh, hot. Hot there. Careful. Ooh, crispy. Okay. Leave it there for a bit. Para mabugnaw. I have siya i-slice. Is it crispy there?
I think so.
Yum.
Seems to be.
So that's it for now. Kanilang sa but later I'll have more. But yep, that's it guys for my pizza show. Thank you guys.
Hey.